If you want to zoom in using Photopea quickly and accurately, this video will show you the easiest shortcuts and the best tools to use. Whether you are editing a photo, designing graphics, or just trying to get a closer look at your work, knowing how to zoom properly can save time and make your workflow a lot smoother. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Let's start with the fastest method, which is using keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. On a Mac, press Command and plus to zoom in. If you need to zoom out, use Ctrl and minus on Windows or Command and minus on Mac. These shortcuts are perfect when you want to move in and out of your canvas without interrupting your editing process. Now, if you want to see the whole canvas at once, use Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This will fit your design to the screen, so you can quickly check the full layout. And if you want to view your image at actual pixel size, press Ctrl and 1 on Windows or Command and 1 on Mac. That gives you a true 100% view, which is really useful when checking sharpness and detail. Next, let's look at the zoom tool itself. On the left toolbar, select the zoom tool, which looks like a magnifying glass. You can also press Z on your keyboard to switch to it instantly. Once the zoom tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas to zoom into that area. This is great when you want to focus on a specific detail, like text, edges, or small design elements. If you need to zoom out using the zoom tool, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while clicking. That lets you move back out without switching tools. This is especially helpful when you are working closely on fine adjustments and need to jump between close-up and full view editing. Photopea also has a really handy feature called Scrubby Zoom. With the zoom tool selected, click and drag your mouse to the right to zoom in smoothly or drag to the left to zoom out. This gives you a more fluid zooming experience and can feel faster once you get used to it. It is one of the most convenient ways to control your view while working. If you are new to Photopea, I recommend practicing all three methods so you can use the one that fits your workflow best. Shortcuts are ideal for speed, the zoom tool is great for precision, and Scrubby Zoom is perfect for smooth control. The more comfortable you get with zooming, the easier it becomes to edit with confidence. That is how to zoom in using Photopea. Try these methods on your next project and see which one works best for you. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.